What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a lot of exciting stuff to go over, from Brazil potentially making Bitcoin legal tender to Axie Infinity, a couple of things with Bitcoin and how it could reach $288,000 per coin this bull market. We got a lot to cover, but before we dive into that, it still says about 72% of you watching are not subscribed. So if you enjoy short form, concise, no BS content that doesn't waste either of our times, well, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, a lot of people have been asking, so we officially opened up a few more spots in our Patreon group. You'll get access to daily live streams, buy and sell alerts, exclusive videos, and other additional content if you join. I don't know how many more spots we're going to open after this, so make sure to join if you're interested. Anyways, right now, we are seeing that Bitcoin's price is starting to get closer and closer to $50,000 per coin. And now many analysts are coming out and saying that $200,000 to $300,000 for Bitcoin this cycle is very, very likely. According to Tech Dev on Twitter, he came out and compared the monthly RSI for Bitcoin versus Fibonacci levels. And what we see here is that each of the last couple of bull markets, back in 2013, back in 2017, we saw two peaks for the RSI. 2013, they were completely separate. Back in 2017, they were much closer together in timeline, but now we've only seen one peak so far in 2021. And when you start to compare this to Fibonacci levels, well, it puts Bitcoin's price right at $200,000 to $300,000 per coin in this bull market. Not only this, when you look at the RSI and the Fibonacci levels, but also Plan B, the creator of the stock to flow model, he has predicted multiple times in the past that Bitcoin's price this bull market should reach $288,000 per coin. So when you start to look at the RSI, when you start to look at Fibonacci levels, when you start to look at what the stock to flow model says, well, everything is pointing to Bitcoin's price getting between $200,000 and $300,000 per coin this bull market. Other thing going on right now is with regards to Axie Infinity. A couple of things were leaked with regards to Axie Infinity, which is an NFT blockchain-based game. And what happened was they just leaked a couple of new pieces of information with regards to it was like a live chat between developers, and they leaked a couple of new details about upcoming updates, like the addition of Axie scores for each character, new abilities, effects, and other things for gameplay. And this has caused Axie Infinity's price to rally significantly to new all-time highs. This is one of my favorite altcoins out there in the NFT space because it is one of the biggest, one of the most well-known, and if you look on OpenSea, their volume for NFT sales is higher than just about any other NFT game. A lot of people are looking for what's going to make NFTs more practical, have actual use cases. Well, gaming combined with NFTs, that is a more practical use case than you just buying a picture with no meaning at all. You know, there's a lot of ways to make NFTs practical, but including them in games is one of the first things we are starting to see. Next story is with regards to Ethereum. Right now with Ethereum, we are continuing to see Ethereum reserves, all Ethereum on exchanges, continue to decrease. Ever since last year, we have seen the total amount of Ethereum on exchanges continue to drop, which in my opinion is setting Ethereum up for a massive, massive rally towards the end of 2021 and early 2022. Interesting thing here is you got to remember, the less Ethereum that is on exchanges, the higher the demand, well, the higher the price is going to go. It's all about supply and demand. If there's not a lot of Ethereum available to be sold and a lot of people want to buy it, well, it's going to help drive the price up. Not only that, though, but we've also seen that the total Ethereum supply is continuing to increase. So you can see, since about 1 year ago, we have seen the total Ethereum supply go from about 112 million all the way up to about 118 million. At the same time, though, we have seen supply on exchanges decrease. So that means all of these people who are either mining Ethereum, or everyone who is buying Ethereum is taking it off exchanges, using it for NFTs, putting it in cold storage, and ultimately we are seeing that people have no plans on selling it anytime soon, which is ultimately setting us up for a massive, massive rally in Ethereum's price into the second leg of this bull market. Last story of the day, which I will talk about more in our live stream for Patreon members tonight, is going to be with Brazil. Brazil is currently looking to introduce a bill that's going to make Bitcoin legal tender. This is important because Brazil is the 9th largest economy in the world, and right now, according to a lot of news sources, according to Brazil, it's looking very likely for this bill to pass, and it doesn't seem like there's a lot of obstacles in the way. So this is a big difference compared to El Salvador. Brazil is a much larger economy, a much larger country, and this could have even even bigger impacts on crypto. So everything lining up right now is looking very, very bullish for the overall market. A lot of stuff going on with Axie Infinity, with Ethereum, with all altcoins, and combine this with technical indicators, things are looking really good. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you guys.